Inkjet printers create images by spraying tiny droplets of ink onto paper. Canon primarily uses thermal inkjet technology, heating the ink to form a vapor bubble. Canon's fine print head technology allows for ultra-fine ink droplets and high nozzle density, ensuring fast printing speeds and sharp image reproduction. Canon offers several inkjet printer series, including Pixma, Maxify, Pixma Pro, Image Prograph Pro, and Megatank G series. Pixma printers typically use dye-based ink for vibrant colors, while Maxify and Megatank printers use pigment-based ink for sharper, more durable text. Some Canon models utilize hybrid ink systems, combining both dye and pigment inks for enhanced print quality. Canon inkjet printers offer high photo quality and versatile media handling, but have higher per-page costs and slower speeds than laser printers. Regular use prevents ink from drying, while genuine Canon ink ensures compatibility and optimal print quality. Nozzle checks, cleaning, and storage in a clean, dry area are essential for maintaining Canon inkjet printers.